Ever felt like you're constantly chasing your financial goals, but you have no clue where you actually stand? You're not alone. Many people struggle to get a clear picture of their overall financial health. And that's where a powerful tool like YNAB, You Need a Budget, can be a game changer. YNAB is renowned for its budgeting methodology, helping you master your money by assigning every dollar a job. But can this budgeting superstar also help you track your net worth? The short answer is yes. But it might not be the most intuitive way. Now, YNAB doesn't have a dedicated net worth report like some personal finance software. Instead, it focuses on tracking your assets and liabilities separately. Assets, think of these as things you own, your checking and savings accounts, investments, like stocks and retirement accounts, property, and even valuable possessions. Liabilities, these are your debts, credit card balances, loans, student, car, mortgage, and any other money you owe. To get a true picture of your net worth in YNAB, you need to do a little manual calculation. Find your total assets. In YNAB, you can easily see the current balances of your checking, savings, and other asset accounts. If you track investments, you'll need to manually input their current values. Find your total liabilities. YNAB will show you the outstanding balances on your credit cards and any other debts you've entered. Calculate net worth. Simply subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. Example. Let's say your total assets are $50,000 and your total liabilities are $20,000. Your net worth would be $30,000. YNAB's role. While YNAB doesn't give you a single net worth number, it provides the foundation for calculating it accurately. By meticulously tracking your income and expenses and keeping tabs on your assets and liabilities within the software, you're building a comprehensive financial picture. Tips for tracking net worth in YNAB. Create a separate net worth category. This isn't strictly necessary, but it can help you organize your thoughts and calculations. Use a spreadsheet. A simple spreadsheet can make it easy to track your assets, liabilities, and calculate your net worth regularly. Set a regular review schedule, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Make it a habit to review your net worth and assess your progress towards your financial goals. Benefits of tracking net worth. Increased financial awareness. Regularly monitoring your net worth helps you understand your overall financial health and identify areas for improvement. Goal setting and tracking. Knowing your net worth allows you to set realistic and achievable financial goals, such as saving for a down payment or paying off debt. Motivation and accountability. Seeing your net worth grow over time can be incredibly motivating and encourage you to stay on track with your financial plan. So, while YNAB might not have a dedicated net worth feature, it provides the essential building blocks for accurate tracking. By combining YNAB's budgeting power with a bit of manual calculation, you can gain a clear understanding of your financial standing and make informed decisions about your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.